Hi, I'm Jamie, and it's time to treat yourself to health, inside out and outside in. And this August, you can treat yourself to our amazing Reverse 20 Turn Back Time capsule, formulated and made in Switzerland, an amazing treatment set for free. When you also treat yourself to the private test. The private test is your opportunity to test and not guess. Do you wonder if your supplements are even making a difference? If you're headed towards health or away from health? Well, how about you test and not guess? With our in-home test, you can find out exactly what your body needs, and then every month we'll help you get that with your custom essentials. I'm going to tell you more, but first I want to share my friend Elizabeth with you.
Jamie, I had stomach problems for years. My doctor just could not figure out what the problem was. Even after scopes and tests, they didn't have any answers for me. So I started taking the customized nutrition, not with the intention of even fixing that problem, but I just loved the idea that it was customized nutrition made just for me. And so I started taking, I got the whole Healthier You package. So I got the skincare regimen as well as the customized nutrition. I started taking that. 3 weeks later, I realized I had not had any stomach problems, no pain. It was great. And when I got my test results back, I found out that my body is not phenomenal at breaking down and releasing toxins, and that was making the difference. So that's been 3 years now. I've been taking them ever since. I've been pain-free, and what I love is I get to share that now with other people, help them either have more energy or just have a healthier lifestyle. It's great.
Thank you, Elizabeth. And Elizabeth isn't the only one. The stories that we hear about the difference that custom essentials can make are huge. We also find that people notice a big difference in their energy right from the beginning. Often stamina is the word that we hear. I just talked with Julio and he said, you know, I used to come home, sit on the couch. If I sat down at 5 o'clock when I got home from work, I was done. Now he says, I have energy, I'm working out harder. My friend Val, she sent a text and she said, I just feel good, in all caps. It's wonderful to see what your body can do when you give it the nutrition that it's asking for.
Hello, I'm just here to tell you a little bit about why we love Custom Essentials vitamins. For me, it started with change in mood, especially around my cycle. I was no longer moody and wanting to be away from everybody because I was so grouchy. And also I didn't have to take my thyroid medication anymore after I'd been on them a few months. For my husband, Kevin, when he started them, it was after a visit to the doctor. He had had his blood work done as well as his full physical. And on that physical, they found that his cholesterol was high, blood pressure was high, liver enzymes on two of the three liver enzymes they look at were high as well. And they were kind of concerned. So he started on the Customs Essentials and went back to the doctor 5 short months later or so. And all of those numbers were in the normal reference range. So instead of having to go on prescriptions for blood pressure or cholesterol or more testing to see what was going on with his liver, he didn't have to do any of that because of the Custom Essentials. And also we both noticed that we're not getting sick throughout the winter like everyone else around us at work and around children. And so that is a huge bonus to not have those darn sicknesses to deal with. Thank you.
Thank you, Elizabeth. So yes, people often notice better health right away, better energy, better sleep, and they also often notice a little bit of weight loss. And that really, I think, is just because people have more energy and they're moving more, and they also snack less because your body's getting what it needs. We have people who say that the only thing they changed was the customs, their cholesterol's gone down, that they've been able to shift off different medicines. And of course, we can't say we're curing or treating a disease, but when you give the body what it needs, it has an amazing ability to heal. So this month, for the $99 that you pay for the private test, which is 3 lab panels, as well as a month's supply of our Prime Essentials, you will get, so that's $99, you'll also get the Intuitive Reverse for free. And that's a $140 value. So imagine how you're going to feel in a month after being able to get some great nutrition and having that lovely skincare treatment set. Then what's going to happen is your Custom Essentials will ship 3 to 4 weeks after you send your lab sample back in the included FedEx packaging, very easy. So you'll send that overnight to our CLIA certified lab. And then in about 3 to 4 weeks, you'll get your customized essentials. Those are $79.95 a month. It's a convenience auto ship, and you're probably going to find that it saves you money based on all the other things you've been getting and not knowing what's been helping you. So your custom essentials will include your vitamins, your chelated minerals, your amino acids, your herbal complexes, as well as some added whole food support to just really give your body an ideal set of nutrition for your health. So here's what you'll enjoy with the Reverse 20. I'm just going to share a few slides real quick. So here we have Mark, and Mark actually has a salon in Oklahoma, and this is a picture of him with his first use of the Reverse 20, and you can see a real difference in skin tone, and that's one of the things that we notice quite a bit. This is not like the other masks that you see out there. This is a coconut jelly mask. Neither side is paper. You take the paper off both sides, and just notice around his eyes the difference in the depth of the line. Then we've got this gal with, again, one use, and you can just see the hydration in the skin. Look at the lids here. You can see how much more lid is available, and this is just 1 week in of the 4-week treatment set. Here we've got 3 treatments, and you can really notice a difference in, again, the hydration of the skin, but also just in the depth of the lines. Here we have Maria, who did one side and not the other, so you can see that on the one side there's a difference in the overall eye wrinkles and overall lift. She says, my laugh line is not as deep, my lips are fuller, my eye isn't droopy, my jaw is a jaw and not a jowl. This is a neck with just the leftover from the mask that you use on the face and the elixir. Pretty significant. And again, notice difference in the skin tone. Part of what it does is it really helps freshen the skin. So those are just a few of our before and after pictures. What you're going to get in your Reverse 20 set is 4 of those treatment masks. You'll get a miracle elixir that will last you over a month. That's for daily use, as well as an excellent polish that is a really deep exfoliator that's going to help with that lovely skin tone that you're seeing on those products, as well as just really fresh skin. So how do you get that? You just need to go to the website link you've been given and add the private test to your cart. And when you do, you'll put in the code R20 Customs in the coupon code, click apply, and that Reverse 20 will be miraculously added to your account. So treat yourself, health inside out, outside in, and we look forward to hearing your testimonials.